Hello everyone, I'm happy to be here today to give you an overview of the K-3500 commercial coffee maker. The K-3500 coffee maker has been engineered and developed for high traffic areas with back-to-back brewing of K-Cup pods with no downtime between brews with a direct water line plumb. Inside, the brewer has two internal hot water tanks that provide a constant supply of hot water for your coffee, tea, cocoa, and more. No more waiting in line to get your coffee. With the K-3500 you can grab your drink and get going. This coffee maker has the modern design and features users are looking for, starting with the attention to detail in the design of the coffee maker to emphasize the brew process from start to finish. From the easy to clean matte black finish, the prominent chrome brew head, and the high resolution touchscreen, this brewer really stands out. Whether a user is familiar with K-Cup pod coffee makers or not, the intuitive design makes it easy for everyone to get their beverage. The intuitive high-res color touchscreen makes it quick and easy to use, with simple walkthrough instructions for brewing, servicing, and maintaining. Choose from 5 cup sizes, 4, 6, 8, 10, and the new 12-ounce for larger cup sizes and travel mugs. Also, you can now select strong brew if you prefer a stronger, more intense cup. This coffee maker has a unique feature of the automatic K-Cup pod ejection and has a built-in disposal bin for used K-Cup pods. There's also a panel on the bottom that can be lifted up and allows for the pods to fall through a hole on the countertop into a larger bin. Paired with our Grounds to Grow On program, it has never been easier to recycle your pods. Some great additional features that the K-3500 offers. The brewer has a dedicated on-demand hot water line. You have the options for hot water in 4 to 12-ounce sizes. You can select this option from the main screen. The dedicated hot water line is completely separate from the coffee line, so there's never a crossover in flavor. If you want to use a travel mug, the drip tray can flip up to accommodate most travel mug sizes. Best of all, the K-3500 is fully serviceable and requires little maintenance to keep brewing day after day. Now let's go ahead and brew. I'm going to choose a Green Mountain Coffee Roasters Dark Magic out of our premium merchandiser. The merchandiser pairs perfectly with the K-3500. The premium merchandiser allows users to choose from 8 options from a variety of roasts, flavors, cocos, or teas from 150 plus varieties and 35 plus brands. The high-res color touchscreen shows that I need to insert a pod, so let's go ahead and do that. Just pull up on the handle and insert a pod. Now pull down until the brew head is fully closed. You'll hear the needle puncture the pod. Now on the touchscreen, select your size. I'll choose an 8-ounce brew since I have a 10-ounce cup. I also like my coffee a bit stronger, so I'll select strong brew. Then you hit brew. In about a minute, I'll have a hot cup of coffee ready to go. It's just that easy. Bring new energy and inspiration to your business with the K-3500 coffee maker.